Hey guys, this is Barry with CycleWorks Motorsports. I just wanted to showcase one of the builds that I just completed. This is for a great customer of mine. This is actually bike number 2. Greatly appreciated. We do appreciate your business. This is a 2019 Chieftain Dark Horse Bronze Edition. As you guys know, there were a ton of upgrades in 2019. They're such beautiful bikes. Just a few things that we did to the bikes that you guys will notice right out of the gate. We went with the Rogue passenger and driver's backrest. We also went with the power band audio in both the back saddlebags as well as the fairing. We did the mid-rise bars in black. We also did a stage 1 kit with the air intake, and then we got into a stage 2 kit, which is your cams. Guys, that's only minimum throttle. I don't want to crank it up until it actually warms up, but that'll just give you an idea of how well this sounds. If you want one built, come see Barry at CycleWorks Motorsports and I will gladly get one built for you. Sorry guys, I would play the stereo and whatnot, but with all the copyright stuff out there, I'm just not going to get into it. However, if you do want to hear it, definitely come see me. Thanks for watching. Make sure you smash that subscribe button.